All right, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be going over the technique called beard mapping, and it's just essentially just going over the grain of hair, the growth on your face, and that's how you proceed with the 2 or 3 pass shave, and it's essentially with the grain. So as you can see, hair grows that way, and then down here it goes down, and then starts taking sharp turns right down there, straight down, and then starts pulling back this way. So with the grain is going to go like that, across the grain, like that, across the grain, and same thing over here, just like that. So it's symmetrical, but not all down. So instead of going all the way down and then all the way across, that's not how it works for me. It might be that way for you. All you gotta do is go through and look at the individual pattern of the hair growth. This is how you help reduce irritation. So that's about beard mapping, and we'll show how it goes in the subsequent shave. And we're gonna be using above the tie Atlas handle H2 base plate and a feather blade. This will be its 4th shave, so let's see how the longevity of this blade holds up. This might be its last one. It might not even make it through it. So this is one of those razors you're gonna have to check to see if it's in there even. These are done to exacting measures. Pretty awesome. All right, we're gonna be shaving with L'Occitane Cade. I think it's a birch bark sap and cedar scent. That's what I get out of it. And we're using a 26mm 2-band badger that I made. I'm going in here. Just dipping the tips there, getting a little bit more moisture in this brush. And I might say that the loft on this brush looks kind of short, which would be right, but it's not too straight up so that you really don't get the splay that you need. On my barrel looking brush, it's like that. It's 26mm 3-band badger, and it was one of my first brushes ever made, so I didn't particularly know what I was doing. I made the exact same size as the base of the knot the whole way up, and it didn't give, and set it too deeply, and it doesn't give the knot enough room to open up, so it doesn't allow any of the soap to flow freely. Let's get started. It does smell nice. Still looks a bit dry. All right. Not getting any of that pearly sheen, and it's getting kind of clumpy. not smooth. They're going everywhere. All right. Now these sideburns are getting a bit long, so we're gonna trim them up just a touch. You know, all I do is I put the base plate right where I want it to be, put the angle on, and then go. There you go. You got a nice new sideburn cut in. And follow the grain of the hair growth. There you go. And same thing over here. Set it where you want. Well, let's get rid of all that. Love that the blade gap on here is so wide, you can see it right there, maybe, yep. That whenever you go to rinse the blade off, or the razor off, you don't have to sit there and put the faucet on full blast to get it out of there. So continuing to go with the grain of the hair growth here. And I used this one before my R41. Because even though it's just as efficient, it does feel more forgiving. That's it for pass number 1. How's that feel? Nice. All right. Pass number 2. So it's going to be across the grain. There's Elias. You know, here it starts going this way. So it's like, if you don't feel comfortable doing like a J hook, like that we're continuing to move forward and turn in the head of the razor, mimicking the action of a slant head. You're just coming at a different angle, like that. Alright, that's super smooth. Smooth. Anything to catch up on here? Maybe right there. Alright. So this is still an efficient, comfortable blade with a full shave. Oh, there it was. Alright, let's wash off real quick. That was a nice, comfortable shave. So we're following the classic techniques of beard mapping and the 2 or 3 pass shave, whatever makes you comfortable. Will allow you to get generally irritation-free, rather smooth shave. We're going to be going in with some lavanille. This is, I do believe that it's lavender, vanilla, oak moss, and what they call mousse de sac. I'm gonna have to go get Elias here in just a second, It's a very beautiful scent. And, hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go take care of Elias. And if you learned something, let me know. If you know something I don't about it, put it in the comments. And I hope you have a wonderful day.